Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Frontier 620. And in this video we're going to ride the elevator that's in the newly built part of the Open Hearth Lodge in Sister Bay, Wisconsin. Now I was expecting that it would have an actual elevator, but it looks like it has another LULA. So, with that said, I'll take a ride on it. And according to this button, this might be a Symmetry. So the original part of the building has a Savaria LULA, but this one has a different brand of LULA. You can tell that it's traveling very fast right now. And here it is. It looks like it is Symmetry. I don't know if you guys saw, but the indicator seemed to be glitching for a sec. I'm going to go up to 3. Alright, here we are at 3. It only took like 10 seconds to get up here. Not. Yes, you look at this. When elevators have a floor, the indicator seems to glitch out for a bit. And I'm pretty sure the indicator displayed the letter F once it got to a floor. I'll show it more once we get down to the first floor. But here's a view of what the cab looks like. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed they chose to install a LULA instead of an actual elevator. This thing's probably not going to hold up. Anyways, there's your indicator right there. Here are your fixtures, some kind of custom fixtures. And there's your phone right there. We're going to focus our attention on this indicator right here. So now write down 1. Now watch what happens in the door. So now the door opens. It displays the letter F and then a letter O. Oh wait, hold on. Actually, I think it's supposed to be. I think they actually programmed this LULA to say those to display those letters. I'm thinking that F and O are short for like floor, and then after it displays the F and O, it shows the floor. So watch this. I'm gonna open the door. See, when the other lands that floor, it shows an F and an O. Actually, maybe the O is a 0, and it's supposed to, basically dictate. Oh, yeah, maybe it's a 0. Instead of it displaying FO on its floor 01. I've never seen that before. That's actually kind of cool. And we'll go up to the second floor to show you it as well. But watch this. So indicator changed to 2. And now it's and now it says F, and then O or 0, and then the number. Oh, wait, what? That's supposed to say floor 2. It just said F01. It should say F02 if the plan was for it to display certain letters in the word floor. I think it does it on the 3rd floor too. Yeah, watch this, guys. Okay, now I'm not even sure if it was the installer's intention of the indicator displaying those letters. Okay, that's really weird. So it says the 3rd floor. But watch this. 3 changes to an F, and then changes to an O or 0, then number 1. I don't even know what that means. I don't think the indicator is supposed to say that. But yeah. Anyways, we'll go back down to 1 and watch the button go out. But yeah, that's a really weird indicator display. But I'm not surprised too, since LULAs are known for being cheap and crappy, like this one. Here, back down at the 1st floor. And we're going to get out and watch the door close up. So the elevator goes. And that's going to be it.